Okay, let us consider another problem in this class. See, this is also a question for 5 marks. See, let us read the question here. A is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 first row, 2, 0, 3, 3 minus 1, 2. And second matrix is 1, 3, 0, 2 minus 1, 4. C equals 1, 2, 3 minus 4, 2, 0 minus 2, 1. Find, see, there are 3 matrices here. A into BC, AB into C, and show that A into BC is equal to AB to C. See here, commutative property holds good for matrices. See here, commutative property of 3 matrices. So in case of 3 matrices, it holds good. So we have seen in our previous classes, if we consider 2 matrices, commutative property does not holds good. AB not equal to BA. So in this case, commutative property holds good. Okay, let us do it step by step here. Okay, so here question is, we have to show that AB into C is equal to A into BC. So let us find out the product here. Okay, so let us first consider AB. So let us consider this product. So AB, first let us multiply these two matrices A and B. Okay, what is the first matrix here? 1, 1 minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 3 minus 1, 2. See, this one is first matrix, and second matrix is B here. So this is A into B. Okay, so we have to, so we know how to multiply two matrices. Okay, so now usually we start from first row and you consider the elements which are in the first column. 1, 0 minus 1. See, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 0 minus 1. So we know here we begin with column. See, here we begin with row and we consider the column here. So I will multiply the elements and write it directly. See here, 1 into 1. So this is 1 plus 1 into 0, 0. C plus minus 1 into minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1, that will be plus 1 only. That's why I have written plus here. Now you consider the second column here. So leave some space. So 1 into 3, 3 plus 1 into 2, 2. See here, minus 1 into 4. See, minus 1 into 4, that will be minus 4. Okay, that's why I have written minus 4 here. Then you consider second row here. So 2 into 1, that is 2 plus 0 into 0, 0. See, here minus 1 into 3 is there. So I can write minus 3. So product of minus 1 and 3 is minus 3. So then I can consider 2 into 3, that is 6. Plus 0 into 2, that will be 0. Plus 3 into 4, that is 12. Then I come to last row here. See, 3 into 1, what I should write? 3. I should write product here. Then minus 1 into 0, that will be 0 only. So I'll get 0. Then see, 3 into 1, 3, minus 1 into 0, that will be 0. Then 2 into minus 1, that will be what? Minus 2. Then, so we can take this column here, 3 into 3, that is 9. Then minus 1 into 2, so I should write minus 2. Then plus 2 into 4, that will be what? 8. Okay, so this is a very important step here. So next, so we shall simplify this. See, 1 plus 1, that is 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 minus 4, that is 1. Then this will be minus 1, this is 18. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. So this 9 minus 2 is 7, 7 plus 8. So I can write as 15. So this is the product of A and B. Okay, so here observe the problem here. See here, AB into C. See, find A into BC and AB into C. Now I have found out AB. Next, I have to consider another product, AB into C. So let us consider that one here. So I will do it here. Okay, consider. See, AB, just we have found out the product of A and B into C. Okay, AB into C. So I can write this. See, this whole thing is, this is the product AB. So I should write that. So this is AB into C. So what is our matrix C given in the problem? So that I should substitute here. So that is 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2 and 1. So this is the matrix C. Okay. See here, this is very important here. So you start with row, and here see, count the number of columns. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns are there. So you have to write all the elements carefully here, row and column. See here, first row and first column. So now I will write the elements here. 2 into 1 product is 2 plus 2 into 1, that is 2. See here, 2 plus 2 over. So you leave some space and write here. See, 2 into 2. So this one is over. Now I consider 2 into 2, that is 4. Then 1 into 0 plus 0. Okay, this one is over. Next you consider third column. 2 into 3, that is 6. Then minus, see, minus 2 into 1, that will be minus 2. Then last column is there, minus 4 and 1. So 2 into minus 4, that is, see, minus 8. 2 into minus 4, minus 8, plus 1 into 1. So I can write 1. Similarly, you consider second row here. Minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1. Then 18 2s are 36. Then I can say here minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2, plus, so that is 18 into 0, that is 0. Then what about this here? See, minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3. Then 18 into minus 2, that is minus 36. Then minus 1 into minus 4, see, plus 4. Minus 1 into minus 4, that is positive, plus 4. Then plus 18 into 1, that will be 18. So we can close the bracket here. So I am left with last row here. 1 into 1, 1, plus 15 into 2, that will be what? 30. Then 1 into 2, 2, plus 15 into 0, that will be what? 0. Then 1 into 3, that is 3. See, minus 2 into 15, that is 15 2s are 30. So I write the negative sign here. Then 1 into minus 4, that is minus 4. Then plus 15 into 1, that will be what? 15. So this is very important step. If you write this correctly, so then our answer will be, final answer will be correct here. Okay. So now let us simplify it. So that is 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 0, 4 here, 6 minus 2 is 4, minus 8 plus 1, that will be what? Minus 7. Then this minus 1 plus 36, that will be what? 35. This will be minus 2. This is minus 39. Then 18 plus 4, that is 22. Then this will be 31. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 minus 30, that is minus 27. Minus 4 plus 15, it is 11. So this is, so let us call this as equation 1. So this is AB, the product, into C. So we have to find out the other side. See, this is AB into C. So we got this matrix. Okay. So observe the question here. See, AB into C, we have calculated this one. Now we can calculate A into BC. Before that, so what is the product we should find out here? You can find out the product of B and C, that is BC. Multiplication of B and C. Okay, I will show this product in the next page here. Okay, so let us consider BC. See, BC. So I have to write the matrix B here. So that is 1, 0, minus 1, 3, 2, 4 into that C. So 1, 2, 3, minus 4. Then 2, 0, minus 2, 1. So this is the second matrix. Okay. Then see here, first row, then first column. I have to consider this one. So 1 into 1, that is 1, plus 3 into 2, that is 6. Then first row, second column. 1 into 2, 2, plus 3 into 0, that is 0, over. Then first row, next column. So 1 into 3, 3. See, minus 2 into 3, that is minus 6. Then last column, 1 into minus 4, that is minus 4, plus 3. So 3 into 1, that is 3. Similarly, continue the same process for second row and third row. Okay, I will consider second row here. 0 into 1, 0 plus 4. Then 0 into 2, 0 plus 2 into 0, 0. Then 0 into 3, 0. See, minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4. Then 0 into minus 4, it is 0 plus 2 into 1, that is 2. Then the last row, see here, minus 1, 4. So we can do it here. Minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1 plus 4 2s are 8. Then minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2 plus 4 into 0, that is 0. Minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3. Minus 2 into 4, that is minus 8. Then minus 1 into minus 4. So that will be positive here, that is 4. Then plus 4 ones are 4, that is plus 4. So then, so let me make the simplification here. See, observe here, 1 plus 6, that is 7. 2 plus 0, 2. 3 minus 6, minus 3. Minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 1. So bigger number is 4 here, so minus 1. 0 plus 4, 4. 0. 0 minus 4, that is minus 4. 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 minus 1 plus 8 is 7. Minus 2 plus 0, that is minus 2. Minus 3 minus 8, that is minus 11. 4 plus 4, that is, it is what? 8. So it is the product BC. So now what we want here? So what was the other side? That is, consider A into BC. See here, A into BC. So that means I have to write the matrix A first. So what is the matrix A here? 1, 1, minus 1. Then 2, 0, 3. Then 3, minus 1, 2. So this is the first matrix. And this BC. See, whatever this BC we got now. See, I have to write this matrix. So I will write the same thing here. Minus 1, 4, 0, minus 4, 2, 7, minus 2, minus 11, 8. So I write this whole thing here. Okay, so start from first column, first row, and you take the column. So here I will consider this. So you write this. See, 1 into 7, this is 7. Okay, so first row and first column. So 7 plus, see, 4 into 1, 4, then minus 7. Minus 1 into 7 is minus 7. So this is minus 7. Then you leave some space. Then you consider second column. So 1 into 2 is 2 plus 1 into 0, 0 plus minus 2 into minus 1, that will be 2. Then 1 into minus 3. See, first row, and now you consider this. 1 into minus 3. It is minus 3. Then minus 4 into 1, it is minus 4. Then, so 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. 1 into minus 4. So that is minus 4. Then minus 1 into minus 11, that is plus 11. So then another, so you leave some space. See, 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. Then plus 2, then minus 8. So it closes here. So observe it. So observe this step carefully here. Okay. This 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, plus 1 into 2 is plus 2, then minus 1 into 8 is minus 8. So then you take this one here, 2 into 7, 14, plus 0, 4 into 0, 0, then 21. 3 into 7, it is 21. Then you take this one, so second row and second column, 2 into 2, 4, plus 0, minus 6. Then you consider 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6, plus 0, minus 33. Then 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2, then plus 0, then plus 20. See, this is 24. 24. Okay. Minus 2 plus 0 plus 24. So then last row is this 3 7s are 21, minus 4, plus 14. Okay, then see 3 sevens are 21, minus 4 plus 2 sevens are 14. Next 3 into 2 6, plus 0 minus 4. Then 3 into minus 3, that is minus 9. 3 into minus 3, that is minus 9, plus minus 4 into minus 1, that will be 4 only. Minus 4 into minus 1, then minus 22. This 3 into minus 3, that is minus 3. Then minus 2 plus 16. So you observe these elements carefully here. So what I will get in the next step here, so I will write here, see, minus 7 plus 7 get cancels, I get 4 here. 2 plus 2, that is 4. See, minus 3 minus 4 minus 11, that is, so what is the simplification here? So minus 7 plus 11, so minus 7 plus 11 means that is also 4. See here, minus 1 plus 2 minus 8. So what is there here? Minus 1 plus 2 minus 8. Okay, so it will be what? Minus 1 minus 8 is minus 9 plus 2, that will be minus 7. So we'll write this here, minus 7. Okay, 14 plus 21, this is, it is equal to 35. Then 4 minus 6, it is minus 2. See here, minus 6 minus 33, so it will be minus 39. Then this minus 2 plus 24, so I can show it here, minus 2 plus 24. So minus 2 plus 24 is, it is 22, plus 22. So I will write here 22. Then see, this one is 21 minus 4 plus 14. So what will be simplification here? 31. Then 6 minus 4, it is 2. And here see, minus 9. Okay, I can write this. See here, minus 9 plus 4 minus 22. So what is the simplification here? See, minus 9 minus 22, that is minus 31 plus 4. So it will be minus 27. So that is, I can write this here, minus 27. Then last one is, so we can show it here only, minus 3 minus 2 plus 16, that is minus 5 plus 16. So minus 5 plus 16 means what? It will be plus 11. So I will write this 11 here. Okay, so let us call this as equation 2. So what is this product here? This is A into BC. See, 4 minus 7, 35 minus 2, minus 39, 22, 31, 2 minus 27, 11. So let us compare this with what we got here. See here, 4 minus 7, 35 minus 2 minus 39, 22, 31, 2 minus 27, 11. Okay, this is AB into C. So from these two we can conclude that therefore A into BC is equal to AB into C. So commutative property holds good for multiplication of 3 matrices. Okay, so you work out 2 or 3 times, go through the video. Okay, let us consider some more problems in the next video.